here it is in kind of graphical format. This guy, Simon, he wants to use his phone. He's going to take a picture of an issue. He's going to scan a barcode, and then he just wants to press the send button. And the engineer just sees the issue delivered as a problem report in his system. He doesn't have to go wandering around, phoning people up, emailing people to try and find out the proper context. We picked the Aras Innovator product as the system of record. We picked on Mendix. It's got some nice tools for handling REST calls, automation for integrating through REST in it, and it's got this. It's got some nice tools there for accessing native features like the camera and doing things like barcode scanning. And the other reason we picked on Aras is because it's actually one of the few of these PLM systems to have an open REST API. So we created an item type. We created some data model to track serial parts or tags. You know, in the oil and gas industry, people call them tags, but it's the actual physical part with the serial number on it. So we created some data model and some relationships to do that in a low-code way. And then we replicated that data model in Mendix. So we built the corresponding data model in Mendix. And actually, Mendix builds data model automatically based on snippets of data from the other system, and then we connected them together through REST, faffing around. So this is the app. It's built in Mendix, but it's a native iPhone app. And what we're doing here is we're using the built-in barcode scanner. We didn't have to code this. We just kind of dragged and dropped it on the screen. So service engineer is scanning that barcode. He's filling in a little bit of information about the issue as he sees it, and then basically, as Simon said, his use case was I just want to press send. So he pressed sends, and the problem report is just sent. He also wanted to use the native camera, so you get access to the native device capabilities like camera as well. So in this use case, we take a picture of the issue, and again we send that back to the other system through REST. The key point in all of this is that we're not writing a single line of code. So and then we wind up in our Aras system, and the PR just appears. It's got the photo attached, and importantly, the important piece is that I don't know if you can see it down there, but the affected serial number and the design part are automatically populated. And that's really good, because it means the engineer now doesn't have to go hunting around. He can just pull up the design of the particular product and go straight to the serialized part number, straight to the part. This is the digital thread in action, really. He's just following that thread of information. Then he can raise that as an engineering change, and everything is properly tracked and traced through the PLM system, if you like. And this is the digital thread in action.